8 best exercises for stronger lower back. Do you have a back problem? And if not, have you ever had a back problem or anticipated having one in the future? If you can say yes to any of these questions, this video is for you. We rely so much on our lower back to carry our weight and keep us stable. As we grow older, this area of our bodies tends to wear down and cause pain. The best way to keep that from happening is to build the muscles around it to make sure the bone structures have enough support. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. To keep your back more robust, healthier, and properly functioning, here are the 8 best exercises to help you build a more muscular and more robust lower back. 1. Downward facing dog. On a mat, lie down and press your palms flat at around waist level. Push your upper body up so you end up on your hands and knees. Straighten your legs and lock your knees so your palms and feet are flat on the mat and your buttocks are pushed straight up. Your body should form an inverted V shape. Hold this position for 30 seconds before moving on to the next exercise. 2. Pelvic tilts. On a mat, lie on your back while keeping your arms at your sides and your palms pressed flat on the mat. Keep your feet together and planted firmly on the mat as you bend your knees. Tilt your buttocks in the direction of your heels. You know you're doing this right if the movement draws your stomach towards your spine. Hold the position for 10 seconds before releasing it. Repeat 3 times to complete 30 seconds worth of pelvic tilts. 3. Bird dogs. On a mat, get on your hands and knees. Make sure that both your hands and knees are around hip width apart. Simultaneously, lift your right arm and left leg. Keep them both parallel to the ground. Hold this position for 5 seconds before going back to your original position. Repeat the same movement with your left arm and right leg. Keep alternating between both sides until you've completed 1 minute's worth of bird dogs. 4. Locust post. On a mat, lie on your stomach with your arms at your sides and your palms facing up. Your forehead should be resting on the mat and your feet close together. Slowly lift your head along with your upper body. At the same time, lift your legs and arms. This movement will leave only your belly and hips on the mat. Hold the peak position for 5 seconds before releasing it and resting for another 5 seconds. Repeat the same movement until you've completed 1 minute's worth of locusts. 5. Lying lateral leg lifts. On a mat, lie on your right side with your head resting on your outstretched right arm. Keep your left hand on your waist and your legs stacked. Lift your left leg as high as possible and hold the top position for 5 seconds before lowering it back down and resting for another 5 seconds. Repeat for 30 seconds and complete the same exercise on the other side. 6. Knee rolls. On a mat, lie on your back with your arms outstretched so that your body forms a T-shape. Bend your knees and lift your legs in the air as if your legs are resting on a box. Keep your knees together as you roll your knees towards your right side. At the same time, turn your neck to the opposite side. You know you're doing this right if you feel a gentle stretch along your spine, particularly around your lower back. Go back to your starting position and do the same on the opposite side. Keep alternating between both sides until you've completed 1 minute's worth of knee rolls. 7. V-ups. On a mat, lie on your back with your arms outstretched above your head. Keep your legs straight and close together as you raise them from the ground. At the same time, lift your arms and upper back. You know you're doing this right when your body forms a V shape. Hold the V position for 2 seconds before going back to your starting position. Repeat until you've completed 30 seconds worth of V-ups. 8. Hip bridges. On a mat, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet firmly planted on the ground. Place your arms at your sides with your palms pressed down on the mat. Harnessing power from your core, slowly lift your buttocks as far away from the mat as you can. Hold the top position for 2 seconds before slowly lowering your buttocks back down. Pause for a second before repeating the movement. Complete as many hip bridges as you can until your 30-second timer runs out. These 8 exercises will help you develop the muscles needed for a stronger lower back. These will not just help you avoid lower back pain that typically comes with aging, but will also boost your mobility and improve your posture. Make sure you do these every day to keep young and active. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.